in here cooling. My video journal, things that I do when I'm alone. Medicate, of course, just a little bit. Just a little bit. The idea is not to get intoxicated, but just to, well, mitigate the symptoms of the condition that you're medicating. If you're intoxicated, that probably means you're a drug addict. And you should get some help. So today, I'm eating caviar. For a lot of people, it's an acquired taste, but I'm a sushi lover, and a lot of times the sushi has caviar on it. So I'm hoping that this caviar is actually salty. I've never had this brand before. It's wild caught sturgeon, Siberian sturgeon. Got my crackers here. And I don't know, hopefully I'm about to fuck it up. Ooh, it looks pretty. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it smells good. I'm excited. I've been sitting here salivating, thinking about my opportunity to have a little taste here. And normally I would make a creme fraiche to go with it, but this is my first time having this brand of caviar, so I'm just gonna eat it like this for now. This one is salty, just like how I like it. This one is good. I got me some seaweed snacks on the side. That's my little side dish. Go ahead and open them up. That caviar is good. I just got it the other day from Whole Foods. Yeah. I've been joking that I feel like a spoiled child. Some might argue that I look like one right now. Got my little OJ. Got a little bit of this up in there. My medical. My OJ is cold. And yeah. Cooling, boy. Cooling with the caviar. In here feeling like a rock star. I said I'm going party when I'm at your bar. I said I got the medical and yeah. I've been talking about the Ayurveda. I've been talking about the Hindi and India. I've been talking about the henna and India. You said you wanted me to take a journey. You wanted me to go on the exploratory mind burning. I started thinking about the crackers at the end. I started focusing too much on the caviar. The cracker like, I should probably eat this now.
A message from Aimovig, a preventive treatment for migraine in adults. A lot happens.
Got distracted.
All worth showing up for. Days of joy and days of sorrow. Days that excite and frustrate. Magical days and awkward ones too.
Boy.
All are special because
It's not that much. I really don't want to sit here and eat it all up, but I might.
Aim to be there more each month.
I'm already starting to see the bottom of the container.
Once a month is designed to keep working 24/7 to help reduce monthly migraine days. There's something that cuts the number 50% or more. Don't take Aimovig if you're allergic to it. Allergic reactions like rash or swelling can happen hours to days after use.
Good.
Severe constipation can happen, sometimes with serious complications.
So
High
take
blood
your time
pressure
like
can
a
happen
man.
more worsen with Aimovig.
Just the taste I was looking for.
And constipation. Aim to be there more. Talk to your doctor about preventing migraine monthly with Aimovig.
I don't have no champagne, but I got vodka and orange juice and my CD snacks. Caviar. It's the caviar I just ate. Imported, all natural, originating from pure Siberian sturgeon stocks, delivering a medium-sized caviar that is strong and assertive, boasting true Siberian character. It's real good. For people that's into caviar, I like it. Yeah, you can catch me out at the tent. Graffiti GG's and I say get bent. I said yoga, yeah, friend. And I don't even gotta pay rent. I just got licensing. I keep it in the backpack and I pull it out on anybody, yeah, all your men. Yeah, don't even try to come and check up on me. I got the credentials, yeah, I said I keep that shit home. Even when I'm a little bit off, you know they know me. I'm out here in the street acting a little bit retarded on the beat, and it's just part of me. So I accept it, but I ain't going to St. E's, bitch, and you better correct it. You better not ever think that thought again. I'm too smart. Like I said, a little bit retarded, that part. I got intelligence. Don't you ever forget this, bitch. I said I caused that irrelevance. And I'm in here eating caviar shit. Yeah, heaven sent, bitch. I got the red essence. And to stay hitting them beats, I be in here with the beatbox like I do the shit all day in the street. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Come by and see Graffiti GG. I got the teriyaki. Fuck around and be wearing some Ishimiyaki. And rock me. I'ma put it on the shirt. Yeah, that work. I take you to go church. Pull out your bongos and don't perk. You know we got the real G's out here. They fuck around and put you in your place, and I be standing there like, go ahead and shit is. I leave the church the last few years. I keep talking about the Native American biz, South Carolina kids. I don't know that side of the family that keep talking about that shit, but I ain't gonna be a Bama G. That's the Lula in me. You know that was my grandma, me, please don't hate. I said I spit on the beat. And I tell you a folklore story. I had you thinking it's reality. Yeah, and store me. Frigidity. Nah, over here, I said I keep it melting like cheese. And I keep it flowing like a beast. And I was born in Southeast. Shot out to Memphis, Tennessee. That's just a Levy Clan and me. Black Jews, DC. I be coolin' in my C. OOLING. I always keep a pair of shades near me. Don't mind if you feel me. Yeah, I just let God steer me. Caviar and OJ on the beat. Caviar and Carme crackers in the street. You know my daughter middle name Kai May.